ball.
Yeah, go find more balls.
Yeah.
Did you find one? I have fun too. Yeah, put it in your basket. It's a good job, buddy. You gonna, for mommy. Keep them in your basket. I look for more. I bet there's more. Go look for more. Do you see any more? Hey, you found one. Put it in your basket. Uh-huh. Can you look that way? Hey, a big one. No. You looking for the little ones now? Keep looking. Look all around like this. Did you find one? I think there's more. I think there's more. You should look. Say, Kenji, excuse me.
Good job.
I think there's more. Is there more? Look at the couches. Look in Daddy's couch. Look behind the pillows. Wow. Look in the chair, in the big boy chair. Do you see any there? Or did you find one? No.
Can you get it?
Did you find it? Reach.
That's a lot of work for an egg.
I'll hold this for you. You go get your
No.
Did you find it?
Is it dirty?
Oh,
Big
it's a
egg.
big egg. I think there's 2 little eggs left. There's 2 eggs left, 2 little ones left. Can you find it? That's a big one. Can you find a little one? Thank you. You see more? Look up and down. Look in front of your barn. Is there a big one in front of your barn? Look by the TV. Is there one by the TV?
Another one.
You put it in your basket. Now, come here, I'll give you a secret. I'll tell you, come here. Look by the table, by the light above the table. Behind that, the light above the table. Yeah. Look over there, the light above the table. Look up. Oh, you found one.
And a big one?
Oh,
Your grandma hold it? Okay.
good job. Here, let's put this here. Come here. I'll help you. Let's look up. Look up and down. Up and down. You see any? Oh, an egg.
An egg, a big one. Big ones cannot go in the basket.
Look all this way. Look all around this way. Look all around. Up and down. Look over here, up and down. Do you see one? Ooh! It's a chicken!
Yay!
I think we have 2 more.
Bye.
Bye, chicken.
I see one.
Separate. Uh-oh.
Well, no, there's 3 more.
3 more. Set this one right here. Okay, come on, let's go look this way. Oops.
Ow.
Ow.
Let me kiss it. Let me see. Oh. It's good. Look this way. Oh, you found it.
Bye.
Another one.
What's in that one? There's a bunny.
Oh.
Do you need help? Let me put the bunny back in the egg. He's like, wait a minute, what's in the rest of them then? Let's put it right here. Okay, let's go look over here. Let's march. Look all around. Look down.
Hey.
Oh, you found it!
You put it on the apple.
Has it?
What's that?
Would you?
You go put it on your table and then we'll find the last egg. You need help, buddy? Will mommy help you?
No.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay, go put it on your table and we'll find the last egg.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, come here. Come here, let's look.
No.
Look up. Do you see anything up? Look up. Up.
The egg.
Up. Do you see anything?
The egg.
Hey, you found the last one. Good
Yay!
It was all the way up there.
You found it. Good boy.
Was that fun?
You did good egg hunting. How many you have in your basket?
Apple.
How many eggs are in your basket, Brody?
You want help?